Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, today we will start the alkyl halide. What are the alkyl halides? Basically, halide means that is the halogen which belong to the 7 group element, that is chlorine, bromine, iodine. So X is replaced by Cl, Br, iodide and fluorine. In this case, what are the rules to express the nomenclature? We will follow the following rules. Rules for the nomenclature of alkyl halides are X, where R is the alkyl group methyl, ethyl, propyl. The first rule, select the longest chain which contain the X, where X is the Cl, Br, I or F. Numbering should be started from that side to which the X attain the minimum position. Write the name of X with position before alkyl radicals. Name of alkyl radical with position after the name of X. When two X groups are attached, write the name of X in alphabetical order. For alkyl radicals, the rules are same as in alkane. For example, this is the compound. Now select the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is the longest chain. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Cl come at the 4th position. But from this side, 1, 2, 3. So starting from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You know, this is the methyl. Again, this is the methyl. Now, according to the rule, that is, write the rule number 3. Write the name of X with position. X come on the 3rd position. So this is the 3-chloro. Cl is the chloro. And now the name of alkyl radical, that is 3-methyl, and this is the 5, then 3, 5. So this is the dimethyl, and then 6. 6 is the hexane. So you can see that is the name of the parent chain is same as alkane family, that is 3,5 dimethyl hexane. So the X should be mentioned first. Similarly, now the longest chain, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we consider this chain, the Br will go out from the parent chain, which is wrong. So the chain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all the substituent, that is all the halo group, should be within the parent chain. So in this case, you can see Cl is attached with this parent chain. So Cl come 1, 2, Br come on the 1st position. So numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5. Now you can see this is the methyl group and this is the ethyl group. So according to the rule, alphabetically B come first. So this is the 1 bromo and this is the 4 chloro, and then the alkyl radical, that is ethyl, come first. So this is the 2 ethyl, and then the 2 methyl, and then the parent chain is the 5, that is the pentane. So we can say 1 bromo, 4 chloro, 2 ethyl, 2 methyl, and then the pentane. This name is same as alkane family. Now consider this compound. You can see in this case, for example, now we have this compound. Select the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is the longest chain. And both the halogen group are attached. Now in this case, this is the methyl group. Again, this is the methyl group. And now this is the methyl group. This is the methyl group. Now consider, in this case we have the ethyl group, methyl, methyl, and this is the methyl. Now the numbering, it is the first from this side 1, 2, Br come on the second position. So numbering from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is the 9. So write the name Ido and Br. Alphabetically Br come first. So the position is 8. So we can say 8 bromo, and then 1 Ido, and then the name of the alkyl radical, that is the 5 ethyl, and then 2 comma 5 comma 8. This is the trimethyl, and the parent chain 9, that is the nonane. So the 8 bromo, 1 iodo, 5 ethyl, and then 2, 5, 8 trimethyl nonane. This is the nomenclature of the alkyl halide. Now the rules for the nomenclature of ether. Ether is known as the ROR. You are very well familiar with all these functional groups. You have already studied in metric. ROR, R may be the methyl, ethyl, or propyl, and this is the oxygen. Select the longest chain which contain the OR group. Numbering should be started from that side to which the OR attain the minimum position. Write the name of OR with the position before alkyl radicals. So, name of OR with the position like methoxy, OCH3, if it is OC2H5 ethoxy, and so on. When two OR groups are attached, write the name in alphabetical order. For example, ethoxy first, then methoxy. For alkyl radicals, rules are same as in alkane. Write the name of alkyl radical with position with the name of the parent chain after the name of the OR. For example, this is the compound. Now in this case, select the longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the longest chain to which the OH is attached. So this is the longest chain. Now it is known as the functional group, which is the methoxy, and now this is the methyl group. Now numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, it comes at the 4th position, but from this side it is the 1, 2 lowest position, then 3, 4, and this is the 5. So according to the rules, we can say that the methyl come on the 2 position. This is the 2, and this is the again methyl group. So this is the 2 position, and this is the 4. So 2 comma 4, this is called the dimethyl. Now the position of this methoxy, that is the 2 methoxy, the parent chain 5, that is the pentane. Now the name is 2-methyl, 4-methyl, dimethyl. So the 2-methoxy and then the parent chain is 5. Consider the another example. Now this is the compound. Now consider longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the longest chain. This is the ethoxy, and this is the methyl, and again this is the methyl. Both are the methyl. Now the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. So numbering should be started from this side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again this is the methyl. So you can see basically we have the 3 methyl groups. This is the 3 ethoxy. So in this case we can write the name in this way, that is this is the methoxy come first and then this one. Two methoxy 2,4-dimethyl pentane. Correct it please. Now in this case this is the ethoxy. So you can write 3 ethoxy and then this is the position, that is 3, again the comma 3 and then comma 6. This is the tri-methyl. 7 means that is the heptane. This is called the IUPAC name. 3 ethoxy come first and then the name just like alkane. 3 is 3, 6 trimethyl heptane. Consider another example. This is the longest chain. Now consider the longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is the longest chain. Now this is called the methoxy. This is known as the ethoxy, and this is called the methyl. Now student, ethoxy come on the third position 1, 2, 3, whereas methoxy come on the second position. So this is the lowest position. So numbering from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the 6. So the name of this compound is, that is according to alphabetical order, ethoxy. So this is the, that is the 4-ethoxy, and then 2-methoxy, and then these are the methyl, this one is the methyl, only one. So we can say that this is the 2-methyl. The parent chain is the hexane. That is 3-oxy, 3,3,6 trimethyl, and then 4-ethoxy, 2-methoxy, and then we can say that the hexane. This is the name. So the name of this compound become 4-ethoxy. This is the 2-methoxy, and then 2-methyl and hexane. If you have any question, you may ask by WhatsApp. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.